Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students, Workbook Lesson 119, Review of Lessons 107 and 108. For morning and evening review. Truth will correct all errors in my mind. I am mistaken when I think I can be hurt in any way. I am God's son, whose self rests safely in the mind of God. To give and to receive are one in truth. I will forgive all things today, that I may learn how to accept the truth in me and come to recognize my sinlessness. On the hour, say, truth will correct all errors in my mind. On the half hour, say, to give and to receive are one in truth. That's it for today. Thank you. I love you. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye.